AI editing application here, which will be showing you guys how to use like a pro. Stay tuned. This is pretty much the old scheme of the application. Here you can pretty much edit or make big photos, general photos of yourself on any one of these templates here. So let's say you want a passport photo, you just tap on this option, upload a clear image of your face, and will give you a good result like this. It's very easy. Once you tap on the try use case, it will just allow you or ask you to allow access to the gallery, and once you have done that, you select the photo and you're pretty much good to go. So the reshoot option is for those who have allowed access, and also you're going to choose photos and so forth. Choose a photo that you want to edit. Nothing much for that feature. So it's just a very basic application. Also, you can pretty much see all the templates that they have available. You can tap on a specific one. Let's say you want a Christmas template, you can use this one here. And let's say if I tap on this option here, you can see the photos required, the amount of photos, and how these photos should look for it to get a good result, as you can see here. So do make sure to follow the required amount of photos and how they should look, so you can get a good results when using the application. It's a very simple application, nothing hard for you to not understand, guys. And once you have generated any image using the application, you can go in the history section and you should be able to find it there. So if I missed anything, just comment below. Let me know, guys, what's your thoughts on this new application here. Stay tuned for more.